Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can set up custom project workflows in Todoist, your ultimate guide for 2025. First off, launch Todoist and navigate to the project for which you want to create a custom workflow. This enables us to start from a clean slate and ensures the workflow is specific to your project needs. Next up, click on the three dots at the top right corner and select Project Settings. This is where you get to tweak the settings for the project and define your workflow. Now, select Edit Workflow under the Workflow tab. This is where the magic happens. You can customize your project's workflow to your heart's content, creating a sequence of stages that align with your work process. This helps us because it allows us to create a project workflow that is tailored to our unique work style and requirements. Let's add a new stage. Click on Add Stage. Type in the name of the new stage, and hit Enter. You can add as many stages as you need for your project. The reason we do this is to break down the project into manageable chunks, making it easier to track progress and identify bottlenecks. Now that we've done that, let's arrange these stages in the order you want them to appear in your workflow. Just click on a stage and drag it to your desired position. This ensures that the workflow follows the natural progression of tasks in your project. Finally, click on Done at the bottom right corner to save your custom workflow. Your project's task list will now follow this workflow. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is now using your custom workflow as a template for this project. All new tasks you add will automatically follow this sequence of stages. Remember, the beauty of Todoist is its flexibility. You can always come back and edit your workflow as your project evolves. And there you have it, a custom project workflow in Todoist. We've learned how to break down our projects into manageable stages, tailor our workflow to our unique needs, and ensure a smooth progression of tasks. Thanks for tuning in. Keep exploring, keep optimizing, and see you next time for more practical guides.